Hello students, welcome to Vipin Sharma Physics channel, and there is a concept on slope in 1 minute. See, slope is basically represented by m, that is equal to tangent of angle say theta. If it is displacement, if it is time, so this is theta, the slope. Then tan theta is what? Displacement upon time. Because tan theta is perpendicular upon base. If OA is S and OB is T, so this is S upon T. So tan theta, that is slope, will give us velocity or speed. Hope it is clear. And dear students, similarly, if it is velocity and time, this will be an acceleration. Simple, correct?